Hello everyone! Today we are back for another Hobonichi plan with me. We are going to plan the week from the 16th of September through the 22nd. So we are currently on Monday and I'm a bit late, but that's okay. We are going to use a different kit. Usually I use a Hobonichi kit, but I wanted to use this kit that I have from GP Sticker Studio. It's a dressing room kit. It was supposed to, well, it meant to be for personal size, but I already used one previously at the beginning of my Hobonichi, and I wanted to use this one. And I have a small selection, well, it's not that small. I have a selection of washi. So we have this one from Marshmallow Studio, this one from Sugar Washi, one from Post, and the other one are from Simply Gilded. So that for the washi. As usual for the Hobonichi, I'm just going to speed through the whole process because it's kind of fast, and I will see you after that. final spread, I had the pen out of the camera, so I'm just quickly showing you how it's turning out. It's kind of bold. I mean, the color are more bright. It's darker than what I'm used to do, but it's okay. I won't say it's my favorite series, but I'm pretty happy with what I was able to do with this kit. And as you can see, I still have a ton left on this kit, so I do have a ton of icons that I will put in my leftover binders, so that's really useful. And for those who was wondering, I kept the blue part that I removed from the washi. I'm not wasting anything, obviously. So yeah, everything is almost, well, the sticker thing is everything almost from GP Sticker Studio except these boxes, but everything else is from GP Sticker Studio. So I hope you like it, even if it was different than usual when I'm using Hobonichi kit. So I really hope you like this one. You can always put down below in the comment what you think about it, and we can have a talk about that. I will love that. And if you like it, please make a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel so you can know when I'm uploading a new video. I try to upload 2 videos a week, one for sure, and I really do try to do my best. With the pregnancy and the end, it's not always easy for me, but I'm really trying my best. And just take care of you, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!